Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. If you understand Hindi language, I have other channel by the name of Twin Flame Diva. There I have already completed second level of inner work. On second level of inner work, there are a lot of work which you have to do. So first you have to complete level 1 inner work, then only you can begin with level 2 inner work. And on level 2 inner work, there are a lot of energy cleansing, healing and protection work what you have to do. So till now, if you have not started your inner work, see, inner work is something which will take a lot of time. Depends what sort of trauma and healing and cleansing you have to do. And if there is generational trauma or ancestral healing, then it will take a lot of time and then a lot of work you have to do. So I have shared each and everything step by step, and those are easy practices which anybody can do. You can check out community section there. I think I have already shared my other channel link. I never answer any of your personal questions through comment or through email. In case you have any questions related to this twin flame journey or inner work, personal questions can only be answered during the personal counseling session. And how can you book the session? That link I have already shared in the description box. I never share my phone number, not even during the paid personal counseling session. I have already mentioned my email ID to contact me, whether it is about session or anything else which you want to share. So email ID is there in that session video link. So I was already going through spiritual attacks, that too during night time, especially since my childhood. But then after my awakening, immediately after my awakening, these attacks started happening even during the daytime. The reason behind that, I was heavily attacked even during daytime and nighttime after my awakening, because see, one, that I'm twin flame chosen one, but then also there were particular information which was about to be revealed to me after my awakening, the reality, truth about a twin flame connection, twin flame journey, the false information which has been created on the name of this connection, especially about divine masculine. Then there was also, I came in a family where I had to remove the curse, so which was not an easy task. So when there is a family who has been cursed, there will be a lot of evil entities who reincarnate as human in that family, and then a lot of spirits stays there to control the bloodline. So I knew that they knew that the moment I get to know all these things, I'll be removing it. So they did not want me to do that. And then the reality about twin flame connection, lot of false information has been spreaded about this connection, so that real twin flame stays stuck on karmic twin flame. The moment I got to know that there was a curse in the bloodline for which I have reincarnated to remove that curse, so I actually started doing the astral travel on purpose. So the way I was doing astral travel, I was actually seeking out a lot of information during the astral travel time only. So there I was heavily attacked by these entities. So during daytime and nighttime, when you are not sleeping, then you are attacked, and also when you are sleeping, during that state you are being heavily attacked. So if you're a real twin flame and you have completed level 1 inner work, or maybe you will complete in future, so when you start doing the work for the second level of inner work, there are a lot of things which you have to do in terms of healing, cleansing. And then what happened, even though if you're not doing this astral travel purposely, it will happen automatically. There are a lot of things which you will be shown during astral travel time only. So know that these entities tries every possible way to stop you from ascending in your life for doing the right spiritual practices. So it's good that you start doing these spiritual practices for spiritual protection from now, even though if you have not completed your level 1 inner work. Because when you start seeking out information while astral travel, then their main target is to destroy your health. Because when you're not feeling well, see, they damage health in a way that you're not even able to sit properly. So you have to understand, if you're a real twin flame, look at your situation, what have you been through, what you are going through. So it's not just only your health, they try damaging each and everything in your life. But know that if you're a divine child, you are a twin flame, you are powerful, you can overcome all these challenges. So immediately after my awakening, when I realized that they are attacking me even during daytime, earlier I was only going through this during nighttime only, during sleep time. But then, so what I did, I started doing a lot of rituals, prayers, and some other things for having spiritual protection during daytime itself. So it got stopped. But then I realized the moment it got stopped for during a daytime, and then they started attacking me heavily during nighttime. So that was the realization. I realized that there is no space for me to leave my spiritual practices even for a second. So whether it is a daytime, it is a morning time, it is night time, I have to pray for my spiritual protection. So I had to travel purposely on a particular realm wherein only few people have access to that realm. It is not that easy that everybody can have that access, but then know that if somebody is trying to travel to that realm, you will be heavily attacked and high chances that the life can be ended. But I had my reasons to travel there, so I had a spiritual protection through my ancestors, but I still needed more protection, so that I travel and seek out information what I had to about the ancestral curse. So during my childhood, I only used to experience these spiritual attacks during nighttime sleeping. So after I started working professionally into 9 to 5 job, then I chose to work in night shift only, because it was always almost every day the attacks were happening. So I stopped sleeping, and then I chose that I should work in night shift so that I will not sleep during nighttime and I can be saved from these attacks. So that time I did not know how to save myself, and I even had no confirmation whether these things are real or not. But then my awakening happened in 2020 March, and that was the COVID time. So I was working from home in night shift. So as I was working in night shift, I had to sleep during daytime. So astral travel was happening after my awakening. If I was sleeping during daytime, so it was happening. So I started experiencing these spiritual attacks during daytime when I was not sleeping, but also when I had to sleep because of my work schedule during daytime. So I started experiencing these attacks whether it is a daytime or nighttime. So when I realized that these attacks are happening almost 24/7, whether I'm awake or I'm sleeping. So during daytime when I'm not sleeping, I already had my rituals, prayers to perform for the spiritual protection, and then during bedtime I had to perform certain rituals like in terms of prayers and some other things. I have shared this information in my previous videos that if you're a real twin flame, there is a particular group of evil forces which has nothing to do with the black magic. Black magic is done through people, through a human, not through some entity. They use an entity to damage you, but then I'm talking about a particular group of forces who only is after actually twin flames. There is a particular reason. So to have complete spiritual protection in your life, you have to do a lot of inner work in terms of prayers, rituals, and then other certain things when it comes about having protection in each and every area of your life, so that you can live your happy, abundant, prosperous life on earth while serving your divine mission. So whatever rituals, practices, prayers I have shared till now on my this channel for spiritual protection, you have to follow all of them, and along with that you have to do this particular prayer whenever you are going to sleep. I have already mentioned in my previous video that spiritual attacks, if you're going through, if you're a real twin flame, then know that these attacks can only be stopped when you have completed final level of inner work, the third level of inner work. And there are people who think that by just doing some sort of spiritual practices, rituals, or some other thing, these attacks can be stopped. So no, there are all the karmic patterns, karmic cycles, toxic habits you have to remove. You have to work on all those things. And when someone starts working on karmic pattern, karmic cycle, which is a time taking process, so until everything is clear, these attacks will not stop. So do not live life of illusion where you just do some sort of practices, because there are people who are looking for shortcut. They think they have this kind of mindset. There are certain revelations are supposed to be done in your life through divine only, but then know that divine will not reveal those particular things until you have completed level 1 and level 2 and half of the level 3rd inner work, because you should be ready to receive such information. So it can be about your divine counterpart, it can be about any particular thing about your past life, or maybe something about your future. So when a person is born as human on earth, whether you are a chosen one, twin flame, starseed, or divine child, or maybe a normal human being, every person gets assigned few particular angels, guardian angels. So they are there to protect you. But then no, when a person starts making wrong decisions, wrong choices, then you start losing their protection. And also there are people who actually lives in denial that these the guardian angels are not there, or ancestors do not happen, or this is just only an illusion. So no, if somebody is operating from such mindset, you are actually denying the spiritual protection. So when you start having such mindset, they will not protect you. So when someone denies that, about spirit guides, angels, ancestors, or divine, that it's just an illusion, there are a lot of people who says this. So what happened when there is a good human being, when they start living such, mindset that this is not the reality. So in that case, what happened? These divine forces will step back. They will not give you protection because it is a matter of, divine rules and regulations. So in that case, what will happen? These evil entities will be able to target you easily. So now, if you're someone who is twin flame and having a hard time in believing divine or in divine energies and divine forces, and what I have seen, life of a twin flame is extremely challenging. It is because of their divine mission or for a reason that they have to heal and remove the ancestral curse and generational trauma. Because of that, they have to go through a lot. So in that case, it might happen that you have a hard time in believing divine and divine forces and divine plan. So what I suggest, just start doing these practices and stay on observation. There are certain situations, there are twin flames who do not experience a lot of spiritual attacks initially. So this is actually a trick of these entities, but the moment you start leveling up your spiritual practices, you will surely start experiencing this, because this is what they do not want you to do. So in that case, they just want you to live under fear so that you stop. So whenever you go to bed for sleep, know that you have to say this prayer, and every time, whether it's a daytime or nighttime, it is a simple prayer which you need to practice even daily, whether it's a daytime or nighttime. So while sitting on your bed, you can read this prayer as it is. Dear Divine, all my guardian angels, ancestors, spirit guides, and ascended masters, please protect me in all the realms, timelines, and dimensions. Thank you. You can further add anything which you wish to add in this prayer. Like, I definitely add a lot of other things, as I have seen these powers and the protection since my awakening. So I've already been living a miraculous life on earth, even though the life was so challenging. So this prayer has to be part of your daily life. So the moment you start practicing it, at least for 2 months regularly without breaking it, then you will realize that you yourself do not wish to miss it. You will have a habit of doing this prayer. So even though the day you complete the final level of inner work, you are not experiencing such attacks, know that it always happens. It's just that there are a lot of spirit guides, archangels, divine forces are protecting you. That is the reason you have stopped feeling those spiritual attacks. So in that case also, you have to still pray throughout your life. You cannot stop this. This prayer won't take much time of yours, like whether you have to perform it daily during daytime or nighttime. And know that you have to stay on observation. If you're a real twin flame, if you have been already experiencing it, you must start immediately. But then in case you are not experiencing such attacks, and the day you level up your spiritual practices, and in that case when you start experiencing this, so know that this is the practice which you have to build as a habit forever. So this was about today's video. I'll see you in another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.